Ladies and gents, welcome back to another episode of Mike's Gourmet Kitchen. It's been a while since the last upload, but we are back with a delicious recipe today. I've been seeing this recipe all over social media, everywhere popping up, and it looks absolutely delicious. Besides having delicious tacos with some lemon juice, some ground beef, chilies and all that lovely stuff, we're going to be making a recipe from the Cozy Chef called a taco pasta. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you do, drop a like down below, comment and subscribe. Let's get cooking.
Tell you
Well, there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. I hope it's delicious. It's the first time actually trying out this recipe. I think for now, let's give it a taste. Get some of that sauce. Oh wow, that's absolutely delicious. It's got the very fragrant taste of the cumin, some saltiness, the nice spicy undertone of the peppers. Absolutely delicious. Pasta is al dente, smooth. It's got a bit of a creamy taste from that milk that we put in and from the cheese. That's absolutely delicious. I hope you guys try this recipe for yourself. If you do, comment on the video, give us a heads up, thumbs up, whatever, and just let us know how you feel about the video. Try this for yourself, it's absolutely delicious, and if you want to see more videos that we tried from TikTok and Instagram, because this was definitely worth it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, drop a like down below, comment and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.